Eastern Illinois and parts of Indiana could see some severe weather tomorrow, but I'm not too concerned about central Illinois. Here's a look why. The environment tomorrow afternoon east of Interstate 55 will be pretty unstable, something we call CAPE, that is basically instability or storm fuel. We'll have some higher levels of that indicated by the yellows and some of the reds that you're seeing. And if you look closely at the wind shear, it's good enough. We want those numbers to be at least 20, and we're about 20 to 25 in some spots, pushing upward of 30. However, here comes the problem. If we look upstairs at the upper level energy, we see the majority of the wave is staying off to our north, and it's also late behind the cold front. That's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and most of the upper level energy is still off to our north. There's a little bit across central and eastern Illinois, and that will push into Indiana. But we are not seeing the best dynamics, meeting the best thermodynamics, which means that storm chances are a little bit lower. And until they meet farther east, that's when we might see a better chance for some storms and possible severe weather. Here's a look at one of the forecast models late morning into the afternoon for your Wednesday. And notice it has a couple of storms popping up. And this is the middle to late part of the afternoon, especially near and east of Interstate 55. That's why I think as you see these storms blow up a bit more in eastern Illinois and into Indiana, we'll see better storm coverage there and a better chance for severe weather. This is matched by the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. We see the yellow area east of I-55, east of Bloomington, Normal, and Kankakee. That includes Champaign and extends into Indiana and parts of Ohio and Michigan. That yellow is a level 2 out of 5 risk where scattered severe storms are possible. The green coloring is a level 1 out of 5 risk, which extends west toward the Illinois River. As a whole, though, the farther east you are in Illinois tomorrow, the better chance you have for a strong or severe storm, although not everyone in that yellow will see severe weather. The main concerns will be strong winds and hail, but heavy rain and maybe even an isolated tornado or two may be possible, but the tornado threat should be highest in northwest Indiana.